guys, thanks for tuning in as we review this week's Bike of the Week. My name's Jordan. We're here at Orlando Harley-Davidson Historic Factory, and we're going to be reviewing the 2020 Road Glide Special with your Eagle Eye paint set. This bike is probably the most badass paint set that you're going to see all year long. With its few allocations to each dealership, you're definitely going to want to come down and take a look at this thing in person. This motorcycle is paired with your 114. It's got all the sinister blacked out components that you're looking for to put you over the edge. On top of that, you're going to have the baddest motorcycle riding down the road. Coming to the front of the bike, we have our linked reflex ABS system. What that does is it gives you all of your braking power, not only to the front, but to the back as well. If you're ever in a not so comfortable situation, you know you're going to have the peace of mind that you're going to keep riding. On top of that, paired up with your linked reflex ABS, you have RDRS. What that does is it makes sure that you're going to be turning at your speeds that you want to be. It's going to match rev meters. It's going to be awesome in turns. You're not going to worry about kicking the motorcycle out. Also, it's got a couple cool things like hill assist involved in there as well. Coming towards the back of the motorcycle, we're going to have your Onetouch bag system. I know it's kind of silly to touch on that, but with this, you're not going to be able to worry about getting off the motorcycle, stopping the bike, stopping your ride. You're going to be able to use one finger, pop that thing open, change glasses if you want to, throw a hat in there if you need to, or put a jacket on when it gets a little bit cold. This motorcycle is going to be one of the most badass designed with your GTS boom audio system right at the touch of your fingertips. It's got Apple CarPlay capabilities on there. On top of that, you're going to be having a shorter startup time, a sweeter sound system, and you're not going to have to worry about any of those older technologies like on the older motorcycles that we have here. Other than that, guys, this motorcycle is fully equipped with everything that you need for long distance touring style riding. You're not going to have to worry about getting off the motorcycle because you're going to be on foot on the road at all times. Guys, thanks for tuning in. My name's Jordan again. If you want to come take this thing on for a test drive, make sure you pop down to Orlando Harley-Davidson Historic Factory. Ask for me. I'll be happy to take care of you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications for all of our tips, tricks, hacks, and motorcycle events that we've got going on here. I'll talk to you guys later.